For 2, 7, they want us to substitute in these values, right? R, S, and T into the following. So I'm going to do A first, right? We have root S plus the absolute value of R. And in my first step, all I'm going to do is substitute in values. I'm not going to simplify it all. So this would become root S, S is 4, plus the absolute value of R, which is negative 3. Notice I did not simplify anything on the first step. Okay, now we can start simplifying. The square root of 4 is 2, and the absolute value of negative 3 is 3, and we get 5 for A. For B, the expression is S minus R all over T. So we'll substitute in. S is 4. R is negative 3. And T is negative 7. So 4 minus negative 3, that's 4 plus 3 over negative 7. So we have 7 over negative 7, which is negative 1. For C, the expression is 2s cubed plus r minus t. So s is 4, so that's 4 cubed, plus r, which is negative 3, minus t, which is minus negative 7. So we have 2 times 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Minus 3, minus a negative is plus 7. So 2 times 64 is 128, minus 3 plus 7. Again, I'm doing one step per line, right? 128 minus 3 is 125, plus 7 is 132. So for C, we get 132. And D, I'll come over here. D, right, we have the cubed root of 2 times t minus r. So we have the cubed root of 2 times t is negative 7 minus r, which is negative 3, right? Okay, so we have the cubed root of 2 times negative 7 minus negative 3 is plus 3. So negative 7 plus 3. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. So we have the cubed root of negative 8. So what times itself 3 times is negative 8? That's negative 2.